Frustrated by the battery percentage displayed on your Galaxy S23 not matching up with the actual remaining runtime? Incorrect battery level readings can certainly be annoying. A few common causes like software bugs, bad calibration, and worn batteries are typically to blame. Identifying the issue is the first step toward making your S23 battery meter trustworthy again. Before we move on, please take a second to like our video or even share it with your friends who might have issues with their devices. It's a great help for us. Now let's jump right into our tips. Restart your phone. If you are experiencing inaccurate battery readings on your Galaxy S23, a simple solution may be to restart your device. This can clear up any temporary software glitches that may be causing the issue. To do this, turn off your S23 completely, wait for 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. After restarting your device, check if the battery meter now aligns closer with the actual performance. By restarting your Galaxy S23, all software and services will be reloaded, which can potentially fix any bugs that may be distorting the battery percentage. Perform sensor recalibration. To recalibrate the sensor on your phone, it's recommended to fully charge and discharge the battery. This can be done by draining the battery of your S23 until it shuts off completely. After that, plug in the charger and let it charge to 100% without any interruptions. This is an effective way to correct any calibration errors that may be affecting the accuracy of the percentage displayed on your phone. Reset charging chip. If you're experiencing issues with your Galaxy S23's battery readings, resetting the charging integrated circuit can help. To do this, make sure your phone is fully charged, then drain the battery to below 10%. After that, power off your phone and charge it back up to 100% without interruptions. This will reset the charging chip, which should restore proper battery monitoring and accurate readings. Check for app issues. It's possible that buggy third-party apps, especially those accessing battery information, might be causing inaccurate battery readings. To fix this issue, it's recommended to uninstall any suspicious apps that request battery-related permissions and clear device data. By removing these problematic apps, you should be able to resolve any issues with inaccurate battery levels. Have your phone checked. After doing all those calibrations and troubleshooting procedures and your phone's battery percentage is still inaccurate, then it's time to have it checked. It is possible that there's really an issue with the battery itself and not just due to some software-related glitches and issues. Following this guide should help you pinpoint and resolve the cause of inaccurate battery percentage readings on your Galaxy S23. Take steps to recalibrate and reset the system before considering battery replacement if needed. An accurate battery percentage is essential to properly gauge remaining runtime. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.